Hey traders, welcome to day 4 of Becoming a Pro Trader. Today we're diving into chart patterns, visual clues on your charts that can signal big moves in the market. Ready to decode these patterns and make smarter trades? Let's jump in. Chart patterns are formations that appear on your price charts, and they can help you predict where the market might head next. By spotting these patterns, you can make more informed trading decisions. Today, we'll cover 2 key patterns that every trader should know: the head and shoulders and the double top at bottom. First, let's talk about the head and shoulders pattern. This pattern is like a telltale sign that a trend might be reversing. Imagine it as a mountain range with 3 peaks. The middle one, the head, is the highest, flanked by 2 lower peaks, the shoulders. When you spot this pattern after a strong uptrend, it's a signal that the trend might be turning bearish. Conversely, if you see an inverse head and shoulders after a downtrend, it could mean a bullish reversal is coming. Keep an eye out for these patterns, as they can help you anticipate major trend shifts. Next up are the double top and double bottom patterns. These are great for spotting trend reversals. The double top appears like the letter M. It forms after an uptrend and signals a potential bearish reversal when the price peaks twice and then falls. On the flip side, the double bottom looks like a W and forms after a downtrend. It indicates a potential bullish reversal when the price hits a low twice and then starts to rise. These patterns are powerful tools for predicting market reversals. Now it's your turn. Here's what you need to do today. 1. Find a chart with a head and shoulders or inverse head and shoulders pattern. Analyze its formation and what it might mean for the market. 2. Look for a double top or double bottom pattern on another chart. See how it could impact future price movements. Make sure to note your observations in your trading journal. That's it for day 4. You're now ready to spot and analyze some key chart patterns. Keep practicing and join me tomorrow for more advanced trading strategies. Don't forget to hit follow, share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you on day 05.